Hey guys, thanks again for viewing another one of my videos. We have a glove box LED swap today, so it should be super quick and simple. Please do consider subscribing if you enjoyed these videos, as well as hitting that notification bell and sharing with anybody that you know that might appreciate these videos. It does help the channel grow a lot and hopefully keep pumping out the videos for you. So here's just a quick close-up of the box that they came in straight from Amazon. Cost me about 20 bucks Canadian, so super inexpensive. It comes with 4, I only need 1, so I'll have 3 extras ready to go. So we begin by just obviously going to the glove box, and you'll locate the light, not hard to miss. With another one of those small flatheads, like a precision tool, just pop the left side out. It has a couple clips, and then the other side just slides right on out. It's actually one of the easier ones to get out of the car. So just pop the light out, really easy. Comes out from one side, and then you get your replacement LED, as you can see here. 36 millimeter size is what the glove box takes in the Forte. It is a festoon style LED, I guess that's how you say it. But yeah, that's what you search for if you're looking to buy them. And for these ones in particular, make sure you have the heatsink facing upwards and the actual LEDs facing towards the plastic or downwards, just so that when you open the glove box, you do have proper direction of light. So as you can see here, I tried to actually put it in the wrong way. It doesn't work, so you don't have to worry about actually putting it in the wrong way or anything like that, or making the same mistake I just almost did. So feed the actual wiring harness to the right side. There's almost like one hook that'll hook the actual plastic in place, and then the other side just give it a quick push upwards and you'll get those clips to clip in place. And that is it. It's quite easy. I'm going to go ahead and show you some before and after shots about how it looks in a daylight, and then I'll have an after shot coming up at the end of the video of just how it looks in the dark, just because I guess that's when you'll actually be using it, right? Here's a little bit of a further out view. The light that it comes with is not very good, but as you can see, the LED is significantly brighter, and I think it's going to make a huge difference at night in those random situations where you need to open your glove box. So here's a close-up. I like the blue or a cool white look versus the soft white. So if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to see a lot more of the videos, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the future videos that come up. Please do go back to the channel, watch the videos that you think may interest you, and share them with your friends. It does help the channel grow a lot. Thanks a lot.